Welcome back to my world space, and thank you for joining me today. I'm bringing Tesla to us today. I want us to kind of look at Tesla. Tesla, like as we all know, it is the leading EV company in the sector of electric vehicles, and most of us have seen it all around, right? But lately, like all the other EV companies, they all seems to be facing the same problem of trying to cut the price down, and also Tesla in particular had more kind of internal issue that they are working on to solve, and also they're trying to cut the prices of cars. So they are facing issues right now, and the stock has been gradually on a downward trend. And so since it's now on a downward trend, is it opportunity for us, or should we just forget about Tesla and move on to something else? Like on this platform, we want to have a long-term investment. We want to build a generational wealth. We are not just trying to get rich. We are not trying to get crumbs of the bread, or we're trying to get the whole loaf of the bread. We're trying to get everything. So if our plan is for us to invest in the long term, and to buy cheap and sell high, and now we are looking at Tesla at the price as it is now. So what should we do? Should we buy it when it's low now, or should we buy it when it's high? Okay, remember what the strategy is. The strategy is for us to buy when it's low, and for us to sell when it's high. And with generational wealth building, it takes time. We have to continue to build on our foundation. We continue to create a solid foundation. So I'm just letting us see it from different perspective. I'm not panicking. If I see the price of one of these sectors go down, I'm not panicking at all, because I understand the strategy and I understand what I'm trying to do. Now, if you swing trading, or if you trading in and out, then you might be panicking, because if you look at, let me just go there. If you look at Tesla right now, it's at 149, 93. So today it has gone down 3.55%. Okay. If you look at 5 days ago, it has been falling. It has been falling. So, but if we now let it go to 1 month, a month ago, you see, still falling. Okay, let's go to 6 months ago. We can still say it's still falling. Now, a year ago, still falling. Now, let us look at the percentage. Year to date, which is this year to date, in the last 4 months, it has lost 39%. 39%. Let's look at year ago, 1 year ago. If we look at a year ago, it seems like now Tesla has gone back to where it was 1 year ago. 1 year ago, it was 150, 165, 162, and now it's 149. So if you look at it, it's really, really close to where it was a year ago. So if you look at it, it has lost 16% compared to a year ago. Let's look at 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, now this is why sometimes if we look at if we zoom out to see a bigger picture, then we can kind of have idea of what is happening. So when we look at 5 years ago, this is what is giving us 5 years ago. It means we have 856% upward trend from 5 years ago, right? 56% upward trend. Let's look at maximum. Okay, let's look at the maximum. So if we look at maximum, I want us to pay attention to this, and that is why it is really necessary for us to be able to go into a position when the cost of the stock is still really, really low. Look at it. When it first came out, it has gone up 11,613.28%. Tesla, from the beginning of the company, has gone up 11,613.28%. Look at it. When the company first started up in 2015, let's look at this. When it came out, it was $1.42. Tesla was $1.32 when the company first came out. And as today, even though we see that it has come down, it is still up by 11,000%. So if you have bought it at $1 in 2015 is 9 years ago. 9 years ago, if you have bought it at $1.30, and now it's $1.49, even though it has come down from $2.90, it was $2.90, it was $290. Now it has came down into $1.49. You see, look at this trend. See how it went up and down. So my question: do we now buy, or do you now run away from it? What do you do? Is it logical for us to buy it when it's high up to 300, or is it logical for us to buy it when it's down? It is down now. So I see it as opportunity for us to also, kind of invest in it. We buy us opportunity to increase our position. Now, I cannot tell you what to do, but I am just saying. Now, so before you make that decision, you have to look at the potential of the company. Tesla is the number one right now in the United States. Is leading. Everybody follows Tesla. They are making profit right now. Even though analysts expect the profit to continue to go up, it seems like right now that it's not going up as fast as they have expected it to. That is the only problem they have. That is the problem that they have right now. That they are not going up as fast as they are expected to go up. And let me now kind of show us what are some of the problems that Tesla actually facing that brings this to them. Okay, so Tesla is seeking shareholder approval for a $56 billion pay package for the CEO, which kind of make the CEO Elon Musk to kind of want to decide to move the company headquarters into Texas from Delaware. So they still having the investment bank has dropped its price tag. So because of the internal struggle, they dropped. So they dropped the price target from 180 from 225 to 180. So that's one of the problem that they are having, and also the company they get downgraded. Their earnings is coming next week. They announce their earning next week, which is the first quarter earning. So people kind of skeptical about, okay, what is he gonna say? Then because and Elon Musk is refocusing his efforts in the robotic auto driving model, from focusing from cutting the price of the car vehicle into focusing on robot robotic auto driving vehicles model. So people looking at this like, okay, if you're taking your attention away from trying to reduce the price of each model into now focusing on robotic auto driven the model, that it might not, if it doesn't work out, it's going to affect the bottom line of the company. So that problem plus the package issue brings some analysts to downgrade the company. But all I want to say is this, that usually all those things they're going to sort themselves out. And once they sort themselves out, this stock is a stock that I can see it to go as high as 290, as high as possibly $300. So if of course, our strategy is to continue to kind of DCA into any stock, any position, just DCA into it. You don't have to go in all the way into it. But I think as Tesla, as the leader of this sector of EV, I don't think they are going out of business. I think they are well positioned. They have a good cash flow, and I think they are going to come back. So, what I'm doing is trying to DCA, like it give me more opportunity to kind of move into it. If you look at it from here, it goes up, then it comes down, it goes up, it comes down, it goes back up, it comes down, it goes back up. So every time that it goes down, it always comes back up. Actually, that is the strategy. That is the one thing that is kind of, seems to be guaranteed when it comes to the indices, when it comes to the stock market. Every time the stock market goes down, it usually goes back up. And Tesla has been proving that in the last 3, 4, 5 years. And especially if you look at the trend of the last 1 year, that's been going down and it will go back up, it will go down, it will go back up. So I'm just saying, let me know what you think. What do you think Tesla is? Do you think it's over for Tesla, or you think it's a buying opportunity for us? The institution buyers are buying Tesla now. They are buying it. They are scooping it up. So, if they continue to buy, it's because they kind of know they have the fundamental of this company, and they believe this company is gonna make it through. This is what they think. I think the same too. I try to kind of try to mimic what the institution buyers are doing. And also I look at the fundamental of Tesla and I see the potential in it. The problem that they are going through now, to me, seems to be temporary. And I think they are going to solve it. If this is your first time on this channel, I would like you to subscribe. I'm inviting you to subscribe to the channel. This is a channel where we build generational wealth, where we have a strategy to buy low and to spend time and sell high, to build generational wealth for ourselves and also for our next generation. Nobody knows it all, but we all seem to know it all, and that is why we come together to empower ourselves. Thank you for taking time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.